In this lecture, we discuss about Leibniz theorem. It is useful to find the nth derivative of product of two functions. According to Leibniz theorem, if y is equal to v u v, where u and v are functions of x and differentiable n times, then yn means nth derivative of y. It means that nth derivative of uv, which is equal to nc0 nth derivative of un into v plus nc1 un minus 1 means n minus 1th derivative of v1 means first derivative of v plus nc2 un minus 2 into v2 plus nc3 un minus 3 v3 and plus ncn u0 means the value of u and vn the nth derivative of v. But we know that what is nc0, nc1, nc2? It is nothing but we can write down ncr, which can be written as n factorial n minus r factorial into r factorial. Here nc0 means n factorial divided by n minus 0 factorial, which is nothing but 1. So the first part is u and v. This is 0. Sorry, this is 1. Similarly, if we write down nc1, nc1 is nothing but n factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. So which can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial. This n minus 1 factorial will cancel and we have n. So there is a n in the second term. Similarly, if we find the value of nc2, it is nothing but n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial, which can be written as n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial whole divided by 2 times of n minus 2 factorial. N minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial will cancel and we have n into n minus 1 upon 2. This is this value. Similarly, if we find out the value of nc2, its value is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 3 factorial. Un minus 3, this one, nc3, un minus 3, v3. And if we again take the nc4, nc4 is nothing but n into n minus 1, n minus 2, and then n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 whole divided by 4 factorial and un minus 4 v4 and so on. And if we write down the last term, again ncn is nothing but 1. So we have only u, v, n. Or we can write down nth derivative of product of two function uv, which can be written as u and v plus n into n minus 1 v1 plus n into n minus 1 upon 2 un minus 2 v2 plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 6 into un minus 3 v3 and so on. Where suffixes means n minus 1, this n minus 1, these are denotes the order of the derivative, and nc0, nc1, nc2, ncn are binomial coefficients of the u and v. This is called Leibniz theorem for to find out the nth derivative of product of two functions. Thank you.